What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Narzo N63. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it, and here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.